In our younger days, we built and sailed trimarans. When we got married, we dreamed of sailing the world.
As we look forward to retirement, our dream is becoming real. We chose a Away Catamaran, or maybe she chose us.
And after a lifetime of dreams, our boat finally arrived. We are shaking her out in the Chesapeake Bay and along the mid-Atlantic coast.
We christened her Moments in Time, reminding us to cherish each moment. The sea is calling. Come share the dream.
Don't have too much fun without me.
Oh, man. We get work.
The Annapolis Spring Sailboat Show is right around the corner, and they needed a 1260 for display. Moments in Time also needed its warranty work completed, so the deal is to get her to Liberty Marina, where Seawind will complete the remaining warranty items and then detail her for the boat show. Sailway had provided Captain Dave and his father, Captain Jack, to help Toni get her up to the South River. Admiral Toni is now retired. Skipper Pete, not so much. Soon, but not soon enough to join the voyage up the Chesapeake Bay. I really felt left out. Toni is the queen of filming B-roll. So Toni filmed this episode as Moments in Time rolled with the wind going north. Kick back and relax and enjoy this B-roll voyage north on the Chesapeake Bay with very little narration from me, as I was not there, as I was working, contributing to society, and being a good house husband. Toni, do you feel bad for me?
Nope.
The winds were from the south at 20 knots, kicking up a swell and pushing Moments in Time north as she surfed at 11 plus knots down the rollers. So they bragged. I was not there. I had to work. I was tracking Moments in Time on AIS while I was working. She was making great time and was soon off Randall Cliffs and fast approaching North Beach.
A wonderful lunch. The lunch made for sailors. Arrgh.
At about 2:30, Moments in Time was already in view of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. They were making great time. Thomas Point Lighthouse, guarding the shoals into the South River.
Hey, anybody got a map?
We are heading into the South River.
All we gotta do is put that correct.
Under sail. Angle is perfect for it.
And there's Liberty Marina, straight ahead. The birds, the birds. And by 3:30 in the afternoon, Moments in Time was safely tied up at Liberty Marina. Toni and I made the trip up to Liberty Marina a week later. Sailaway had already detailed most of Moments in Time. Toni and I organized the cabinets and removed some of the clutter and took our personal items off, getting her ready for the boat show. Toni replaced the Moments in Time bed cover with our logo, with a new one that had seahorses. Why, you may ask? Skipper Pete had learned long time ago not to question Admiral Toni concerning these types of things. The starboard aft stateroom, looking good. Here we are, a Moments in Time, back at Liberty Marina. This is where she was after we first got her almost a year ago. So it seems like after a year, everything comes in full circle, and we're back. And the reason we're back here is because they're going to do some warranty work. We had some warranty work with that leaky black water tank, the power outlet, pinstripes. They were the compasses were way out of whack, so they're going to swing the compasses. And I think they were going to look at the auto helm as well, because when the captain brought it up here, he thought the auto helm was acting wonky. So hopefully we get all that done, and then we'll see everybody at the boat show.
Yep.
right?
Yes.
So what do you want to say?
You said it all. He needs to stop picking on me, that's for sure.
The boat looks beautiful.
It does.
They came and detailed the inside and kind of like, we keep the boat clean, but
It really looks good now.
now I'm feeling pretty bad. So yeah, hopefully everybody will come out to the boat show and see the boat, see the other boats, and see us, right? Come say hi to us. We'll be either on the boat here or just wandering around the grounds, right? And the Spring Sailboat Show is when?
Next weekend, the 25th?
25th, 26th, 27th, Friday through Sunday.
Yes.
And then they'll bring the boat back, complete any of the warranty work, and then we get to sail her back home, right? Hopefully I can go this time.
And hopefully it will be an overnighter at least.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll go anchor somewhere and have a nice dinner or something.
I'm gonna go out and take some video of the outside because this boat was never really clean since we got her.
No, it really wasn't, and they've shined the sides and everything.
Yeah.
It looks really, really nice. Yes.
Where are we, dear?
We are in Little Germany, in Maryland, in the Annapolis area.
We're at Holstein Inn in Mayo. We just checked our moments in time, the Liberty Marina, and now we're getting some good German lunch. Life is good. The crab cake sandwich does not look very deutsche.
That's why I got a vice horse.
I guess we'll let it slide.
Subscribe! Leave a comment! Leave a comment! Leave a comment! Leave a comment!